Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a chapter or part on Wattpad. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Wattpad home page and click on write, and you can create a new story. I'm going to clicking on my stories, and I want to add a new part or chapter to this story. So I'm going to clicking on continue writing and clicking on new part, and I'm going to enter the chapter title here. Save. I'm tapping on back, and as you can see, here is two part now, or two chapter, and now I'm going to creating another chapter or part. So I'm clicking on new part and giving name here, save, back, and that's how you can create chapter or part on Wattpad. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.